Hi, Jackie Ward here with Americans for Cures, coming to you from an uncharacteristically sunny day in San Francisco for the third day of the ISSCR annual conference. And so I'm just going to tell you about a few of the interesting talks I attended today. The first one being during a session about neural development, and there were a host of people speaking about this. And some of the interesting talks I attended were really about going from embryonic stem cells and making them into other kinds of cells, specifically neural cells or brain cells. And so we heard from Randolph Ashton, who's actually an engineer by training, and he spoke about engineering your way from embryonic stem cells to motor neurons, which are the long neurons that innervate your muscles and that actually cause your body to move. During that same session, we also heard from a PhD candidate at UC Santa Cruz named Andrew Field about how he takes stem cells from primates and humans and turns them into neurons or brain cells, and has found that there's a lot of similarities, as we might expect, between those primates and human neurons, and he's exploring that in more depth. For the final session tonight, we had our own Adrienne Shapiro, patient ambassador for Americans for Cures, speak to the whole crowd of scientists, and that was really great. She spoke about her experience as a mother of a daughter with sickle cell disease, and I think that that was a unique experience for a lot of scientists in the room to get the patient advocate perspective. And she was also followed by Fyodor Urnov, who is a scientist at Sangamo Biosciences, and he spoke about his company's efforts to use genome editing to treat and even cure one day a lot of these blood disorders, including HIV, AIDS, beta thalassemia, and even sickle cell disease. So that was a really great sort of into the session tonight and really complemented Adrienne's talk at the meeting as well. So we're looking forward to coming back for the last day tomorrow, and we'll have a final recap for you then.